What's going on YouTube? This is Danny and today we are doing network discovery from Hack to Learn series. In this video we are going to see different techniques to identify live hosts in our network. So I have downloaded a VM from WellHub and the name of the VM is Stapler and it's up and running on my network, and we are going to try different tools and techniques to identify its IP address. So there are a lot of different methods which are used to identify live hosts in our network. The first very basic technique we can use is ping. We can ping the IP addresses one by one and see whether the host is up or not, but it's a lengthy process. And there are a bunch of different tools already available in Kali Linux, which we are going to utilize and identify the IP address of our target. So the most favorite or most used tool is netdiscover. Let's see. So we can use network discovery tool netdiscover to specify the range, scan a list of ranges and so on. As I know my IP address, so my IP address is 192.168.100.3, and probably the VM is running on the same subnet. So we are going to identify the IP address of our target by specifying the range of the network. So netdiscover -r 192.168.100.0/24. So how it actually works, it works based on ARP request and responses, replies, and identify the different ARP packets and their source and destination addresses. So the scan is finished and we have three IP addresses from our network. So this is probably the gateway, and this is hopefully our virtual machine. So the next tool we can use is Nmap. Nmap is basically a port scanner, but we can use it for ping scan in our network, like Nmap. Okay, it's basically a port scanner, as I already told you, but we are going to scan the network using Nmap. Okay. This is a ping scan, and we can do nmap -sn 192.168.100.0/24. It's gonna take a little time and scan the full subnet to identify the live hosts which hosts are up. Let's wait. Something wrong. Slower, a lot slower than netdiscover. Finish. Alright, finally, and we have a host up 192.168.100.1, 100.7, 100.9, 100.11, 100.3. So you can use different tools, different techniques based on the network, and thanks for watching.